Hi everyone, today is Dr. APJ's birthday. Let us celebrate. Okay, what is so special about Dr. APJ? Okay, the world is celebrating today as World Students Day. Okay, we loved the students very much. Okay, and what is so special? He was a renowned scientist, and is considered to be the main brain behind India's growth. Okay, he gave value to all the positions he held. Moreover, he is loved by all the people and whole world for his knowledge, guiding young minds, and mostly for his sincerity and honesty. I always say to people, there are three kinds of people in this world. Believe me, there are three kinds of people. The first one, they spend their whole life in platform expecting other people to help, and they don't have any work. Okay, they always depend on other people. They are like beggars. They don't have any ambition in life. Okay, and second one, they are very selfish, and they are not bothered about what is happening outside, and they are not bothered about the countrymen or country. Always try to blame other people. Okay, and they are very much bothered about their family members. That's it. Okay, and that people, Dr. APJ people, that is, I can say, the whole people, they work for the society and they upgrade themselves, like Dr. APJ is a great example of the third category. Okay, they contribute the knowledge, okay, the whole world, and always leave a spark in everybody's mind, and leave for the society and leave their footprints across the world. Okay, what we learn from Dr. APJ? Okay, the first thing, we need to dream. Okay, before your dreams can come true, always visualize things. That is most important, and also visualize the success in your life. Okay, and recollect all the victories in the past, then automatically the victories in your packet. Okay, second one, be a corruption free person. Okay, don't lose your individuality and integrity. That is most important thing, and be straightforward. Okay, and always make a difference in your life by living like a legend. Okay, and have courage to think differently, courage to intervenment, to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible, and to conquer the problems and succeed. That is a other point I can say. And to succeed in your mission, you must have a single-minded devotion to your goal. That's another point. Okay, don't get afraid of anything. Don't get afraid of any problem. Okay, every problem has a lesson and has a challenge. Okay, face the challenge, grab the opportunity, and face it. Okay, and you know how to defeat it. Okay, and most importantly, okay, work with integrity, sincerity, and have a great dreams. Okay, great dreams of great dreamers are always transcendent. Okay, so always have that point in your mind, and work for children. That's most important thing. Work for children to give them a better tomorrow. That's another thing. And we need difficulties because they are all necessary to enjoy success. Very important point, right? We need difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. We need hurdles. Okay, once we get hurdles, we know how to solve it and come up in life. Okay, we can experiment things. Okay, and don't be alone. Okay, the whole universe is so friendly to us and conspires. One need to give the best to those who dream and work. So always don't be alone, be with the team, and believe in God. That's the ultimate thing I can tell you. And have a clear principle in your life. Okay, don't leave that principle at any cost. Okay, and believe your parents, believe your faculty members. Okay, and finally I can tell you, I can finish it a quote from Dr. APJ, very famous quote. Always I believe this. Okay, he says, I am not so handsome, right? I am not so handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help, because this help is required from the heart. Okay, the service is required from the heart, not from the face. Okay, it is said by Dr. APJ. So don't look at the face, look at the heart of people, look at your heart. Okay, and help people from your heart. That's a great quote said by Dr. APJ. So my dear friends, okay, follow the footsteps of Dr. APJ. He is a living legend and he is always with us. Thank you very much. Long live APJ's principles. Long live APJ.